Okay, I cleaned the rust off around what was left of the pipe best I could with a wire wheel. And I took this piece of 3-inch, stabbed it on there, didn't even take the rusty bits off, just jammed it right on over top. Doesn't matter, it's just tailpipe. And kind of hoping I get a couple tacks on here, and then I'm gonna try TIG welding it with some bronze rod. Maybe be better, considering that it's not a clean kind of surface. Okay, I got this tacked up. It's a little sturdier than I thought it was. Hopefully this will go pretty easy. Running number 17 flex head, gas lens, number 7 cup on DC at about 50 amps. And 1/16 bronze rod. Okay, there's a huge void here, an actual about an 1/8 inch crack. I don't know if it's gonna fill or not, but I'm sure I can get her to build up. Got it. Took a lot of bronze. That was a big hole. I'll take this, I'll clean it up and show you what it looks like. Okay, I got the weld all cleaned off with the wire wheel in the grinder. Looks pretty decent. A couple little missed spots, but hey, that's cheaper than new tailpipe.